Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF file into from the Microsoft 3069 file. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to follow these steps, and these steps is to firstly convert like your PDF to Word, and from there like do your editing, and then you can save again the Word into a PDF file. And to do so, you will need just to go to your Microsoft uh, website, and from there you will need just like to go to Documents. So we will be needing just to start a new document, and from there we will be able like to convert the PDF file. So here in the file, I will need just to click on Open, and I'm just going to import my PDF. So I'm just going to click on open, and as you can see, you will need like to convert the PDF into a Word file. So I'm just going to click on open, and now it is being processed, and the lesser or the less the size of the file, the quicker it will be like to convert your PDF. And after that, when the things finish, and then you start like editing your PDF. I'm just going to refresh so I can interrupt the process. You will be needing just like to save these or to export this Word as a PDF. So as you can see, you can like to simply download as a PDF, and basically you will be able like to export this Word file as a PDF. So you will be doing like your own editing on your PDF file that has been converted to the Word file. And now after you finish like editing your Word that was in the first place a PDF, you will need just like to go to File menu, and from here you will find Export, and basically you just like download as a PDF, and now you will be able to do it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.